I've got the Enya Nova U ukulele, and I'm gonna take a look at this. I was really excited about this ukulele. This case, I usually prefer them to have straps on the back. This one did not come with straps, but I have really enjoyed just having a little handle to carry it around. The case is already compact enough. It's a hard case, has the Enya ukulele logo on the front of it. Yeah, I've had this with me for a couple weeks now, and I threw it in my car and was traveling around with it, and it held up really well. Let's see, this is a concert size ukulele, and it's the traveling size, so it's thinner, more compact than the normal size. This ukulele is gorgeous. It's very cool. It's all black. I just love the look of this ukulele. Anyway, so we've got, it's made of a polycarbonate, and that's like a plastic. This one does not sound or feel like plastic. It held up extremely well. I live in Utah in the desert, and it's been snowing. There's no humidity here, and it just is a great traveling ukulele to take with you anywhere. Holds up anywhere. So we got, this is plastic, and I heard that this has carbon fibers throughout it. I think that's the secret touch to this thing that makes it not so plastic sounding and not feel so plastic. I think the carbon fibers, the reason why is because they added them throughout. Carbon fibers have several advantages. They include high stiffness, high tensile strength, and low weight. They have high chemical resistance and high temperature tolerance and low thermal expansion. So basically, what it does is it adds strength to a ukulele in specific areas where you want extra strength, but you don't want it to weigh very much. So it adds that strength in it. I think that's the secret to it. And when I heard that they had carbon fibers, I was so excited because another passion of mine, snowboarding. These snowboards I know that they have carbon fibers in them. And so I was really curious about what that would add to what these had in common. It's the carbon fiber. They add the strength to them. So this ukulele is all black, and it has a matte finish, which leaves some fingerprints on it. It does leave fingerprints, but it doesn't bother me. You can just wipe it off with a rag. I love the matte on it. It's just very sleek looking. The Enya SOUNDHOLE. It's like the flames, the Enya flames. Right there. It has an added bonus, which is a side sound hole. You see that side sound hole right there? That helps you to listen to yourself as you play. And I thought that was really clever. So you can hear yourself as others would hear you playing. They have, let's see, so the strings on it are Enya FLUOROCARBONATE strings, and I am not a huge fan of them. After strumming on it for about 2 weeks, my fingers did get a bit sore from it. They felt a little flimsy on it, but they're very easily changed out if you need to. They're fluorocarbon strings, Enya fluorocarbon. So up the fretboard, there's 18 frets on it. 18 frets. We've got markers on fret 5, 7, 10, and 12. Up the board. There's no side markers on it. I don't know why they didn't do side markers, but it's very smooth since it's all one piece. The neck and the body. It's It's really cool how they made this out of a mold, I guess, and it's all one piece. The back is curved, which gives it more sustain to it, and has the cutaway right here on the body, and it just gives it a really cool, like an electric guitar look to it. And I think that's pretty awesome. So up the fingerboard, at this top, we've got the Enya logo with the asymmetrical headstock to it. And it has the unbranded gold open gears. And I like the gold on this black. I really like gold, and I think it looks pretty cool with the black. Also, we have the pegs for the straps, and I already added the strap to it. I always play with the strap. The strap is pretty sleek too, has the logo. I'm really impressed with this ukulele. I've enjoyed playing it for the last 2 weeks. It's been my go-to one. So this ukulele is only $89.99, and I think that is a steal for a great ukulele, a great instrument that will hold up for an extremely long time for beginners, for advanced players. It's beautiful. It is a great deal. So good job, Enya, on making a cool instrument. So yeah, Amazon. You can find it on Amazon, and I'll put the link below. So I'm gonna tune it up, and then I will play a song so we can hear how it sounds.